In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how to stop blowing up your prop firm accounts. You want to do this instead of what you normally do. Now, as traders, we have to manage two major emotions, fear and greed. Now, it could be the fear of missing out or the fear of loss. And let's talk about FOMO real quick. FOMO would be an instance like this. You see the market shooting up, you're like, oh, dang it, I should have been able to catch that move. It rallies up, you buy it here, boom, and then you get slapped right back down. Now, the worst time that we could suffer from these emotions is once we've already hit what we deemed as our daily loss limit, or even worse, our daily profit objective. Imagine at this point, you already hit your profit objective, you FOMO into the trade all the way up here, only to give it back. Imagine how horrible you feel on those occasions. Now, I learned about this little trick since I've been trading with my funded futures. In case you guys didn't know, I do have 20 funded Apex accounts and 3 funded accounts with my funded futures. If you want to make sure you get the best deal with both of those prop firms, use promo code Mike at checkout. Now, since trading with my funded futures, I was forced to go ahead and use the Trade connection. However, I can still trade on the NinjaTrader platform. So what we want to do for this, I want to show you guys a very cool setting within Trade. So we want to go to your Trade account, go ahead and put in your credentials. Now, once you've logged in, go ahead and click on Access Simulation. Now, keep in mind, this is not a workspace that I normally use in trading. So don't think, oh, wow, what's this indicator Mike has on a chart? That has no bearing. I do not use Trade to execute my trades. I have to have a Trade credentials to be able to trade this on the NinjaTrader platform. Now, from here, we want to come right over here to these lines where it says application settings. Click on that. Now, from this screen, you're going to select one of your accounts and click on risk settings. Now, once we're in the risk settings, notice right here, they already have a $1,200 daily loss limit. However, if I check this real quick, I can make it less than $1,200. Maybe you say, you know what? If I end up losing $300 or $400 for the day, I find myself going on tilt, and maybe you can go ahead and put in a daily loss limit less than what the prop firm gives you. Now, I know this works with my funded futures. After you guys watch this video, comment in the comment section down below, will this work with other prop firms that have Trade connections as well? Now, once you put your daily loss limit in, maybe you want it $500. I'm not going to change that. Now, some of you guys have a hard time stopping once you've already hit your daily profit objective. From here, you can go ahead and select daily profit target. And let's say that you say, all right, once I make $400, I'm going to shut it down, or whatever the consistency rule is within the prop firm in which you're trading. Go ahead and select that. Then you'll hit save. Now, I'm not going to do it because I don't want these risk settings on this particular account. However, I wanted to show you guys a very simple way to put other parameters in to stop you from trading, to maybe stop some of that fear and greed in your own trading. Now, you may be also saying, Mike, can we also do this with rhythmic connections? You absolutely can. And to learn how to do that, go ahead and watch this video right here.